Hello friends, Tanya here with an unboxing video for Spellbinders 2022 June card kit of the month. It is a gorgeous one as always. This is the box it comes in and it is called, what is it called? Party Hat and Streamers. So this is going to have a party theme or a party hat theme. We'll just get this opened up and look at that already. You can see some fun party hats. There's a die that we're going to go over later. Of course, we have our adhesive, a roll of double-sided tape and a container or a square of adhesive foam. We also have our 10 card bases and our 10 envelopes. Those come in every single kit. These are traditional A2 sized. And next we have, again, I'm going to show you the hat. I'll put that all together for you at the end of the video. I'm going to take off the plastic wrap so we can go through all of these things. We've got the party hat and streamers, 6 by 6 paper pad. And there are a bunch of gorgeous papers in this. We've got that large floral, which I love. Here we've got a bunch of birthday candles. And I think there's a little bit of gold shimmer on these. And then our next print, we have these bunches of balloons on strings in yellows and pinks and reds. Then our next pattern is, oh, it's so tiny. What is it? It's a very tiny print. Sorry, from my monitor, I can't tell. This is a bunch of people with rainbows and balloons. I think that is adorable. We have this blue sky pattern. And then our next one is yellow with little dots, scattered dots. I wouldn't call it a polka dot. Then we have rainbows and hearts. This is so fun. Black and white outline. And then we have these gray tones, different cakes. This is a nice stripe, gray stripe with rainbow colors. We also have this big bold floral. This is more of a traditional polka dot, orange with white polka dots. This is a grayish, taupish background with the words happy birthday all over it. I love that for a good neutral or masculine card. Pink with confetti dots on gold and white and tan. Then this beautiful floral groupings, nice background, middle size background. Then we have a pink cloud set. We've got this word background and we have this pink scallop stripes. And then we have this candy and emoji stripes or background. And our last print is another confetti dot in green and white. That is all of our paper. I love those paper pads. And then this month's stamp set that comes in the kit is full of birthday sentiments. Just love it. And has this grouping of candles. There are several amazing sub birthday sentiments in here too. There's even one that says, hope your day is full of sprinkles, confetti, and rainbows kind of day. I think that was probably my favorite of all of those sentiments. We also have a package of gold sequins. These are the ones, the cupped kind with a hole in the center. There are 2 sizes in this pack, so you'll have some variety there. I do like it when the sequins are different sizes. Then we have our other pieces. We've got these party hats with these cute white and gold pom-poms on the top, and they have a big pop dot on the back. There are 9 of these, and they coordinate with some of the ephemera in the pack, which you're going to see in a little bit here. Here are our chipboard stickers this month. Of course, pink and white and gold, all the same colors. Birthday themed. We've got cupcakes and sentiments and retro pieces. We've got a cat with balloons. We've got cakes and ice cream, emojis, rainbows. I love that ice cream cone with the rainbow on the strawberry. Adorable. Just love it. And then we have some puffy stickers in multiple colors. Loving those. They're very cool. They have that super glossy finish and that puffiness and some fun extra pieces that go with the words. And then we have our pack of ephemera. Between the paper, the pattern paper, and the ephemera, those are my two favorite pieces. Here I've laid them out again in 3 sections and kind of by theme, grouping them together with like being with like. Loving the florals and all of the different ephemera in this kit. And as always, there are 2 of each piece in this set. Then we have the cardstock that comes in the kit. As always, we get between 8 and 9 sheets, and we have a white, black, light pink, dark pink, yellow, orange, green, and blue, and we have the gold foil cardstock. This gold mirror cardstock is available in packs of 10 in the card shop, also on Spellbinders, if you love that paper as much as I do. And then we have the dies for this kit. It does make a party hat. I'm going to die cut all of the pieces and assemble this party hat for you right here. I did take the paper from the paper pack to cut this. I used some white, some of the blue, and you can see that these 2 pieces were cut with the die, and then one with the stripe piece in the larger die and one without, and I trimmed the flaps off of the white piece that has the stripes, and we'll adhere those together to create our stripes on our party hat. I really think this party hat would look adorable in so many of those pattern papers in that pack. I have to try that yet. So we're just going to adhere those together. Just going to press on there really solid so that that will be good and adhered. Next we have the little fringe that goes at the bottom of this hat. Just going to add a line of adhesive on the top above the fringe and adhere that to our hat. Just going to fluff up that fringe, get it all moving so it gives it a little extra appearance of fluffiness, right? I mean, we want fluffiness. And then we're going to make our little pom-pom for the hat. And that is the slanted fringe piece that's die cut. You add glue to the inside of the back side of the die cut, and then you roll it from the wide end all the way to the narrow. And now I'm going to fluff that. And that takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. Just going to fluff that pom-pom all the way out and make sure our glue has a chance to dry because you don't want your pom-pom to come apart. And there is your party hat. You just fold those flaps back, and I tried using my bone folder to add a little extra domed dimension to it, but you really don't need to do that. It has plenty of dimension without doing that. Next, we have the flower dies that come in this die kit. There is a small flower and a large flower, and there is a smaller, there are 2 little flower centers. There's a larger one and a smaller one, and you can add those to your centers of your flowers. I die cut the flowers in pink and yellow from the paper that was included in the kit. I also die cut several of the leaf bunches from leaf branches from the die kit, and I'm going to adhere them behind some of the flowers. And you can use these flowers alone or with the party hat. You can group them together in all kinds of ways. I think they are absolutely adorable. Here I've got 3 flowers with leaves, and we don't even need leaves on that last one, and that makes a beautiful little bunch of flowers. Then we have the words that come in the die set. There is Make a Wish. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do that now. If you want to see what I make with that party hat, come back later. I will have a 10 cards, 1 kit video posting very soon. Until next time, here are a couple more videos I thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.